Then turn your voices off.
I have it. It doesn't matter.
Just grab it.
Why do we have fun when it came out and I felt so embarrassed because you were recording it and sending it to your boss?
Okay. So I need voices off and eyes on me, please. Shh. So today we are going to review for your test. So we're going to review for your test that you're going to take in a little bit. So I am going to review using multiplication with an array. Can everybody tell someone next to them what an array is?
It's like you do 5 times 3. You do 5 rows of 3, or you could do 3 rows of 5. Yeah, can I show her the cables?
Yes, please.
I'm just gonna do 15.
So that's a math sentence, but what's an array? So Trevor has an array going.
Like that?
Jada has one going.
Oh yeah.
What's an array?
So there's 3.
Hold on.
An array is like you can do it this way. Copy. So you just do that.
Yeah.
You do it like that, and then just say I had 4 on each one. 4 on each. And then if I had 4, you could just do this. And then do this. And then this is an array.
Which part? C. Yes.
6 times 3. That is
So
basically.
what's your array? Can you write a math sentence to go along with your array? 6 times 3. Awesome. Good job, Houston. Trevor has an array.
This is down in part. I thought we were taking a test tomorrow. What is it called?
Oh, is it tomorrow?
She said
Yeah, it is tomorrow.
What is it called? Like so, like that. This is when we put blonde in.
Yep.
This is the. Is the math test hard?
Fraction.
And that would
Factor.
Look at, I did backwards.
Those are the, yep, factor,
I
product.
did backwards. And like
Right, and we're going
this
to talk
is
about
what
that.
an array. Look at
Awesome.
Alright. It's just alright.
Alright, so I need you to erase your boards. I know, we'll have lots of practice.
eraser? Yay, so it's
So
probably
erase
gonna
your
take up
board.
a whole entire math time until the test. By the way, Miss, I just looked out.
That's okay.
I
Why don't
just
you guys
looked out.
are Okay, can you erase your board?
Can you stop doing that? How can you get off this? Leave me alone. So basically,
Can you
you're
two
gonna
stop?
do an array with those, and you're gonna show
Maybe,
us.
if you can show me you can handle the whiteboards.
Okay.
So, I want you to draw an array with 8 rows of 2 squares.
Okay. What's 8?
Draw an array with 8 rows and 2 squares.
So like this.
So rows go across. So I said, draw an array with 8 rows with 2 squares.
I don't get it with 2 squares. Wait, we need squares?
Or whatever you're drawing, circles.
Like you could do it either way. 8
Right.
times. I'm gonna do squares since he's no, I'm
So Jada has 2 rows, right? And I asked for 8 rows of 2.
I did that right.
You did the opposite of what I asked, but that's okay.
Oh, you
I'll just
mean like
explain it.
that?
So you have
See?
8 rows, and I need 2. 2 in each row.
I did 3.
Correct.
Yes. Is mine correct?
Well, I
Is mine
asked
correct?
for 8 rows of 2. You have 2 rows of 8.
What about me?
You have it right.
Do I have it?
Yes.
So erase it.
So can you draw, or can you write the math sentence that goes with what you're drawing? Drew.
I do draw. So actually, I'm jotting it down.
Yep. Trevor, can you write the math sentence that
Once
goes?
you check with Miss Davenport, you can do this.
You don't have to.
8 rows of 2s? Because, you know, people can see what this rows of 2s. I did 8 rows of 2s because I did. How about you
You did 2 rows with 8 in it. I asked for 8 rows with 2.
Go like this. Hey, can I show you something, Miss Davenport?
Sure.
Because if it was 2 times 8, it would be 16. Because 2 rows of 8 would be 16. And then accumulate. See?
No.
It would be 16. See? That's boys.
Right. And that's, what is that called? That's called something.
Communicative.
Communicative. Communicative.
I can't say it.
I can't either.
Commutative. Those are cute. Commutative.
And I like how Trevor labeled the product
16.
and the 2 factors.
I got 16.
Right.
FKP. FFK. What does that mean?
FFP. What does that mean, Trevor?
You could go like this too.
Factor, product. Factor, product.
What is a factor? Someone tell him, Trevor.
The factor is the number of the rows, and this factor is the number that you have in the rows, and then the product is the answer you get
Right.
in multiplication.
boxes too.
So, if you turn yours sideways, is it still the same problem?
Yes.
Yeah. And why is that? What do we call it?
Commutative.
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 Not
Property
not
of
property.
multiplication.
Not property. I can see it.
Commutative property
No,
of
not
multiplication.
I know, I'm saying property.
Commutative
Okay,
property
we
of
heard you like 1,000
multiplication.
Right.
times.
Thank you, Mason. All right. So erase your boards. I'm gonna
I
ask you to
already
do a
did.
different one.
This one will be. What are those dots?
I will
Wait,
get to
can you give us tests like what's 3 times 3 or 4 times 4?
What's 100 times 100?
No, 3 times 3 is not 6.
Are you guys ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay. I want 4 rows of 3 circles. 4 rows. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so 4 rows of 3.
4 rows with 3 circles or lines.
What about me? Did I do it right? Okay, copy cat. Look at mine.
So they all should be the same. If you're gonna choose one, you need to do all the same.
6, 9.
Just so they represent the same.
You just told the answer. You spread it. What?
Thank you, Jade. Yes.
Oh, in fact, I did this one. Can I erase it?
No, not yet.
Sure.
Thank you for writing both ways. If you don't have, do you have
I
both
write.
ways?
Hey, look it. 3 times 4
I'm already
is
done.
4
She said
plus
mine
4
was
is
right.
8. And 4 more is 12, right?
You simmer down, both of you.
Right?
Can you tell her to stop talking to me?
No, she can talk to you. But if you don't
She's
say-
making me angry.
well, just ignore her.
I was just going to say that,
Thank you.
like 3, if you had 3 because 4 plus 4 is 18, and then add 1 more is
4 plus 4 is
3.
18.
No.
It's okay. 4 plus. It's okay.
4. Can you leave me alone? 3 times 4 is actually.
I wasn't talking to you.
Or Jada. Thank you.
4 times. 3 times 4 is. Oh, this feels super low. I don't like this chair.
I know, just you have to deal with it. What? Mason? This is an Mason.
I'm small.
I was gonna say 3 times 4 is 12 because if you add 3 times of 4, that would be 12 because 4 plus 4 is 18, so that would be 2. And add 1 more, it would just be 12.
You just said 18 plus 1 is 12.
Not 18! I keep on saying that one. I'm not doing it.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Did you mean 8?
Look it. Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
did factor times factor equals product.
Right. I would like everybody to label theirs like Trevor's on one
Why?
thing. Just put a
And-
factor.
Do we really have to? P?
You don't have to do T.
Only under the corresponding numbers. Just for this one.
I only just did times and
I wrote 4. I wrote a 4.
So factor,
P.
product.
factors.
I keep trying to write a 4.
Predict factors. Factors.
This is mine. Then, Cheryl, you took mine. This is yours.
Alright, so Erase your board, please.
My hand's still going. It has to be clean as possible.
Okay. Put the whiteboards and markers in here, please.
Hold on. Are we done?
Nope, we have one more thing.
Oh, are we gonna try multiplication?
It's with these.
Here you go, Charlotte.
I still made it.
Are we gonna draw a multiplication?
What is this? Bingo? I want to play bingo.
So
Oh, we're making an array.
we're gonna use arrays with these.
Put them back, Mason.
Yeah, it's fine.
Can somebody put them
Thank you, Charlotte.
I'm just feeling them this now.
Okay, you just need like a small handful.
Small handful.
There you go.
Ooh, small.
So
Watch.
I want you to make an array of a problem, and we're gonna try to figure it out. So do something different.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, we are. You're gonna say yes, sir. Yeah.
So I want you to make one and then write
I think this is how much you need.
or know the products and the factors in your head. We're gonna try to figure it out.
Can we do whatever fraction we want?
Yes.
Yay!
But it can't be more than the squares that we have.
I'm not gonna make it hard.
And if you need more things that have
I'm gonna make
those.
mine hard. I'm just gonna.
I'm gonna make mine cheesy.
Cheesy. Figure the language.
Yeah. Figurative language.
I'm not closing my eyes. Those commercials are still on.
What commercials are still on?
Oh, and
Okay, you have a minute left to make your array.
What? I just started. You're timing us?
Well, we have to get back into the classroom.
I want to stay on here. Hey, this pattern.
I like mine.
Yeah.
Oh, look it, you can't even see through this because it makes me nervous.
Hey, everything's green when I look through here.
Okay, Mason.
I'm trying to do it,
I know, but you're looking through the green eye.
This is green eye. I'm making mine hard. You look cute. Do they have a gray one?
Okay,
No. I want to make mine hard. Oh, and purple. Okay,
I didn't
but-
make that hard. I made mine pretty easy.
Let's see.
That's not cheese.
You look cute in all this.
Yeah, cheese.
You do too.
Figurative language.
You do too, Charlotte.
Cheese. Okay, cheese. Does this look easy to you? Does cheese sound easy?
but it has to be even so that it works. Okay.
Does cheesy sound easy?
It's square.
So, Mason, can you finish while Trevor explains this to us?
No, yeah, I can.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Trevor, we're going to look at Trevor's, and he's going to tell us if we're right or wrong. So, everybody look at Trevor's and try to figure it out.
Okay, there's
Wait, do it silently, please.
6
And once
rows
you-
and two. Don't say that loud. She said
Okay, I got my answer.
Okay. So, Charlotte, how many rows does he have?
6.
And how many are in each row?
2.
So, what would our math sentence look like? Wait, let Charlotte answer. What would it look like, Charlotte?
Oh,
No, what's Trevor's? How would we write his out?
6 plus. 6 plus. 6 times 2 equals 2, 4, 6,
Well,
6.
yes. All right. Trevor, is that your answer?
Yep.
So, what would be the cumulative property of 6 times 2? Trevor?
2 times 6.
Right. And does the product change?
I'm done. Mine
No.
are even.
No,
The product doesn't
the product
Listen.
doesn't change because you're just switching the numbers around, and that's called commutative property of multiplication.
Now can we look at mine?
All right,
How does this impact
take them out, please. All
Can I go
right,
next?
Charlotte.
I'm gonna go next.
Charlotte is actually the same.
No, I'm gonna go next.
Charlotte's going, but you guys are the same. So why don't you guys work together?
Okay. We can add ours together, right? Wait, actually.
Well, you don't have to add. Just keep them separate. They're the same, so let's just keep
I
them
know the
separate.
answer.
Okay.
I know the answer.
So let's look at Charlotte's and Anicia's.
Can I have some more, please? Can I put these back here? Hey, you don't get cow. You're messing me up.
Oh, I know.
Carol's
Say that
all
loud.
sticky to that thing. Yeah, 24.
Mommy,
Stop saying that.
Anicia.
Oh, it's because I know it.
And he wants to see it, say it. So
I feel like these are blue. Just had four.
Look at it.
Okay. Here, look it.
Do we get to
Oh,
keep these, or do we have to return them?
You have to return them. They're not mine. Okay, Charlotte, you want to explain your problem to us?
We have
And
six
Anicia.
on each row, and we have 4 on ourselves. And that equals 24.
So what is the commutative property? Commutative property of your array.
Is those the same? So like what is like counting the cycles? Wait a minute, it looks like we did the same way.
Okay, listen to Anicia, please. So Charlotte said 6 times 4 equals 24. What is the commutative property for 6 times 4?
Oh, I thought you said 6 times. I think it's 12. What if all of us
Charlotte, let's listen to Anicia, please. That's the answer. What's the commutative property? Trevor, can you explain that? Commutative.
Sorry, I know what I'm doing.
So the Charlotte said 6 times 4, and I asked Anicia
Plus.
what the commutative property is.
The commutative.
It's like 6
Oh, I know.
plus 6 plus
Okay.
6 plus 6 plus
I know. 4 times 6 equals 24, and 6 times 4 is 20.
So we just switch the numbers.
Yeah.
And it's the same.
Like,
You should
No, thank you. Can you go sit down, please? Thank you. All right, the last two.
okay, so there are 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. You guys should work together. Okay, 6 rows of 9. And so 6 times
Hold
9.
on, I can't see.
Hey, go here. You don't count them.
You guys don't know the answers?
No, he
What's
hasn't
9
let me
times 6?
count.
1, 3, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, so let's 6 times 10. So let's 6 times 10. 56 and 52? I mean 54.
Yeah, that's 54.
You're welcome. Exactly. I was going to say that. Exactly. Because if 10 times... If 10 times... Stop it, dude! 9, I'm trying. 10 times... Give him something.
Hold on, they're not listening. You guys.
Keep running. 9 times...
I'm listening.
Mason.
Okay, I'm listening.
No, sit on your bottom.
And I need my points back.
Go ahead, Charlotte.
So they said if 9 times, if 10 times 6,
Keep going.
if 10 times 6 is... You're going to have to steal some from me if you want to get them. Get, oh wait, get me Charlotte.
Yeah, let's check Charlotte.
I'm listening.
If 10 times 6 is, if 10 times 6, if 10 times 6 is 60,
Jada.
if 10 times 6 is 60, then, what would, 6 times 9 be? 54.
Right, 'cause is that more or less?
Less. Less. So
Right.
you can get...
So what would we subtract from 60 to get to 54?
From 60.
What are we subtracting? We're subtracting 6. Right? To get to the 54.
Wait, I want to do some.
No, come on. Alright. You guys can go back to the question.
See, right here.
Thank you. Can you take this back, guys?
Are you okay, Jordan boy?
Trevor, what happened?
He also hurt his arm today. You're a unlucky man, Trevor.